welcome to the video. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm just in the car wash right now, getting the M235 rinsed out. Look. Oh, some more soap. But anyways, we're gonna head out to Kiel, then to Canada's Wonderland to meet up Tristan and the gang. See you guys later.
Yes, sir.
What color is your Lamborghini? Oh, nothing? Fuck off then.
No, I like
Oh shit, that's the new Ferrari.
Drive from the back door, and she way out the store. I got my heart on my sleeve with the city on my thigh.
I see a lot of people talking shit about Lamborghinis, saying they don't like it. I only asked them one question. What color is your Lamborghini? Nothing? Fuck off then. I'm sick and tired of the regular traffic parties. I like
Strada, couldn't have done it without you, brother.
so much better.
Putting it all together, the season opener
It's a
just
good
getting
event, not
started.
bad.
I just found the perfect beginner bike for you guys. If you guys want a beginner bike, get a Hayabusa.
Yeah, this is good for like beginners that don't have experience.
It's good for M1 riders who just graduated. Beginner rider, this is the best bike to get. Get a turbo Hayabusa. Yo, we got Batman out here. Look. Batman in Toronto. Let's go. Batman's about to take off, guys. Okay guys, this might be my old Mercedes right here. Still have the same rims. I used to have one of these. This thing's a monster. Yeah. Double R. Got R6. Got the CBR 600. Look at this R6, it's so beautiful. Got the chopper. Lambo.
I like this color.
What color is your CLA?
Matte silver. What's your? What color is your CLA?
Oh, I don't have one.
Fuck off.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Like a remedy, Spanish bitch, a hot tamale. She be blessing me, shoot the house like paparazzi. They ain't catching me, I'm riding.